Hello guys, thanks for joining me. This is Chogyal from Bhutan. Today I will show you guys how to remove the title of search box in Blogger.
Make sure to subscribe Search Chogyal and also click on the bell icon to get notified about every new upload.
If we click here and try to remove the title of the search box, it will not work. So what we need to do is just go to the theme and click Edit HTML. After that, left click inside the HTML codes and press Ctrl+F in your keyboard. Now type in block search and hit enter in your keyboard. You will find block search 1 and block search highlighted with yellow colors. Under this highlighted marks, you will find 3 dots. So click on the 3 dots to further extend the codes. Just delete the codes in this line and save the template. That's it. Now let's check it by refreshing my blog post. So finally, the title of the blog search is gone. Thanks for watching and bye bye until next time.